Okay, welcome guys. In this video I wanna present about forest ecosystem. So first let's understand the meaning of forest ecosystem. So forest ecosystem refers to the terrestrial system in which living things such as trees, insects, animals, and people interact. So this is like a place whereby living organisms interact, in short. And forest ecosystem plays an essential role to the environment. For example, it helps to balance the climate of the planet. How? This is whereby when there's high concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, this carbon dioxide is absorbed by plants, which is used in their process of photosynthesis. Since carbon dioxide resides into global warming, as such the climate it is balanced. And the other major role that forest plays is that it provides oxygen. Forest ecosystem, it provides oxygen to people. This is whereby when these plants utilize carbon dioxide, they release oxygen, which is used for various purposes to people. And finally, trees help to maintain the balance of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. As I've already said in the first point, that trees, they use carbon dioxide, so they help to balance the concentration of carbon dioxide. So let's move on to the another slide, which talks about types of forest ecosystem. So on types of forest ecosystem, we have tropical forest ecosystem, temperate forest ecosystem, boreal forest ecosystem, and savanna forest ecosystem. So what is a tropical forest ecosystem? A tropical forest ecosystem, this is a type of ecosystem which receive heavy rainfall, and this rainfall leads to poor quality of soil, since nutrients they sink down the soil. So as such, the soil in this type of tropical forest ecosystem is poor. And the tropical forest ecosystem is a home for living millions of animals, which includes massive variety of birds, mammals, and reptiles. So another point is temperate forest ecosystem. Temperate forest ecosystem, this is a type of ecosystem which is usually found in North America, Japan, and in other countries. In soil which is found in temperate forest ecosystem, it is rich in organic matter that allows huge variety of vegetation to grow in temperate forest ecosystem. So this is the main difference between a tropical forest ecosystem and temperate forest ecosystem. This is whereby in temperate forest ecosystem, the soil is rich in organic matter than in tropical forest ecosystem. Another type of forest ecosystem is boreal forest ecosystem. So what's a boreal forest ecosystem? This type of ecosystem is usually found in Northern Asia, Canada, and the trees found in boreal forest are evergreen types such as pine, fir. The boreal forest has dense canopy that hardly allows the sun to reach the forest surface. What do I mean when I say it has a dense canopy? It has like those small trees below above the surface. It has some small trees which reduce the penetration of sunlight into the surface. So finally, the other type of forest ecosystem is savanna forest ecosystem. Generally, savanna forest ecosystem is found in South America, Australia, and savanna forests are quite vulnerable to forest fire. On the other hand, savanna forest ecosystem it is characterized by ability to regrow much faster. So let's move on to the other side, which talks about features of forest ecosystem. So we have season variation. Yeah, on season variation, the forest ecosystem of particular region the forest ecosystem of particular region depends on the seasonal variation of country in which the forest falls. Yeah, the type of forest ecosystem, it depends on variation of particular region, depends on the seasonal variation. Yeah, for example, we have some other type of seasons, like whereby a country receive rainfall throughout the year. So if the country is receiving rainfall throughout the year, the type of ecosystem is that we have a lot of trees, and in the trees are green in nature, like the ecosystem is evergreen. So this is what it means when it says season variation. And the other feature is soil fertility. On soil fertility, the soil of forest ecosystem varies in terms of fertility. For example, the soil of temperate and tropical deciduous forest is very fertile and rich with nutrients. This is so because rainfall does not fall out throughout the year. It has fixed time in which rainfall falls in this type of ecosystems. So nutrients does not sink, which helps the soil to be fertile. And the other feature of forest ecosystem is canopy layer structure. On a canopy layer structure, the canopy layer is one of the most distinguishing character of forest ecosystem. The dense canopy layer acts as barrier against wind, rain, snow, etc. Yeah, the canopy layer structure, for example, in boreal forest ecosystem, as I've already said, it has dense canopy below, and this canopy reduces the penetration of sunlight into the surface of the earth. As such, some organisms, they are affected since they do not receive enough sunlight. Yeah, so let's move on to the structure of forest ecosystem. The structure of an forest ecosystem is characterized by organization of both biotic and abiotic components. The structure of ecosystem can be split into two components, namely biotic components and abiotic components. So this is the structure of forest ecosystem, in which you have abiotic, which is like non-living things. For example, we have air, we have sand, dust. On biotic factors, we have producers, consumers, decomposers. On producers, we can have trees. Consumers, we can have like animals which feed on these trees. Decomposers, we can have microorganisms which are there on the surface, on the earth surface. In the primary, we have primary consumers, secondary consumers, and tertiary. Primary consumers, herbivores, like we can have like antelopes. Secondary consumers, we can have animals which feed on primary consumers, and tertiary consumers, animals which feed on secondary consumers mainly. So let's move on to the last slide, which talks about the functions of ecosystem. The first function is it regulates essential ecology process, support life system, and renders stability. The second one, it is also responsible for recycling of nutrients between biotic and biotic components. The third function, it maintains balance among various tropical levels in ecosystem. And the final one, it recycles minerals through biosphere. So that's it on forest ecosystem. Thank you.